What's up, everybody? For today's video, we're gonna do TnA's take on someone else's recipe.
And that's my grandma's chicken salad.
And not like grilled chicken on lettuce. We're talking about the spread kind you put on crackers or in a sandwich. Now, I think she makes the world's greatest chicken salad.
I don't know if we'll be able to top that.
But we're gonna try. So, cue the intro. Okay, to start, we're going to start with our chicken. You could boil your own chicken breasts. If you do that, do it in chicken broth. But we got one of these little rotisseries from Walmart. We're going to start by removing some of the breast, and then we're just going to shred it ourselves. And I'm sure Aiden wants to eat the skin. So we removed all the white meat and some of the thighs and stuff. Just start by shredding it all up, toss it in the bowl, and then we'll eat some of the skin as you go along, and then we'll go from there.
We got this shredded up. We're gonna chop it so we make sure we have in the pieces we want.
Okay, we got it, what I think is what we want. The reason I didn't use like a food processor is I just wanted to control this, like how chunky or how small the pieces were. So into a mixing bowl, and I'm gonna add all the other ingredients before I add the mayo. And the first thing we're gonna put is some celery. Now, try and chop it up pretty small because I'm not trying to make this like a real overly crunchy with big pieces of vegetables kind of thing. Now for some carrots, we got these that are already like the julienne kind, but I'm gonna have Aiden give them a rough chop just to make them a little bit smaller. All right, in goes both of these things. Now some onions. Now, same with onions. I'm gonna dice these up pretty finely so there's not too many real big chunks. All right, we got these pretty chopped up, pretty good. Into that. On to the next thing. Next, I'm gonna chop up some walnuts to give a little bit of a crunch. My mom uses pecans. I did not have that. So this is what we're gonna try. Now you could skip this if you don't want that, but like I said, we're gonna try her recipe and see how it goes. That goes in there, and now for one last ingredient. Now we're gonna put some apples pieces that we're gonna chop up in here. My mom sometimes puts grapes or cranberries. We're not gonna do that because I think that's a bit much. So these, we're just gonna chop up this apple into some small pieces. Okay, we got those chopped up. Now, Aiden is who wanted to add the apples to it.
I think it's gonna give it a fresh taste.
Now that we got all those ingredients in, now to add our mayo. Now I'm gonna only add a little bit and start mixing this up, folding it over, and then add more mayo till it's the consistency that I want.
We put like a cup of mayo. That's where I told my dad to stop.
Now season with some salt, and instead of doing like black pepper or lemon pepper and stuff, we're gonna use our TnA seasoning. And we're gonna mix that up. Okay, so now for what my mom says is like her special last little ingredient is a couple squeezes of some lemon juice.
We almost forgot something important. Some diced up pickles.
in they go, and mix it up, and then we should be good. Now you can do this on a sandwich, but I love doing them on crackers. Pause. I'm gonna do just some regular club crackers. Aiden wanted these Ritz ones. Now it's time to try it out. Get you a little bit, put it on your cracker. Time to taste. So what did we do?
That's amazing. I feel like
Did we do her recipe justice? Meaning, did we do a good job?
yes, we did an amazing job.
All right. Well, there you have it. There you have it. The TnA take on some chicken salad. If you want us to try your recipe, hit us in the comments. See you next time.